All over the planet, human power and creativity are expressed through giant machines that operate with immense power. They are considered a symbol of overcoming challenges, from building large structures to conquering vast fields and even harsh environments such as quarries and coal mines. These machines demonstrate technical and creative exploration and create an exciting world to learn about and bet on. Talk about the Clark, Michigan 475B, a backhoe loader manufactured by the Clark Equipment Company in the United States in the 1970s. The 475B is an upgraded version of the discontinued 475A dump truck. With a maximum payload of 25 tons, the 475B is equipped with a huge Detroit V8 diesel engine. Today, it is widely used around the world. This type of machine is used in road and bridge construction works. Currently operating sand and rock suction, mixing concrete to fill underground water pipes. Do you know the name of this machine and where it was made? Please let us know so we can keep up to date with the latest information. These are two wheel loaders working at Biros Marble Quarry. Produced by Komatsu, one of the world's leading brands in machine building. Above is a product line called PC4000, capable of pulling and lifting materials up to 250 tons. Thanks to these PC4000s, hundreds of tons of granite can be moved gently without human effort. Next is the large bulldozer called Liebherr PR 766, a type of road grader manufactured by the Liebherr Group, a Swiss-based machinery manufacturing company. Liebherr PR 766 weighs about 24 tons and is equipped with a diesel engine with a capacity of up to 312 horsepower. In addition, it features advanced controls, an optimized cabin, separate wheel brakes, and a rear-mounted blade mechanism to make digging easier. Hitachi is a globally renowned brand in heavy machinery manufacturing. The Zaxi 670 LC machine currently operating at a mining site is one of Hitachi's products. It has a minimal operating weight. Capacity is 68 tons and the Hitachi engine provides strong and durable performance. In addition, it features advanced technologies such as shock and vibration reduction to minimize operator fatigue. The CAT 120K is an excavator capable of performing a wide range of tasks such as excavation, backfilling, terrain reclamation, and ramping. Powered by a Caterpillar C7 Acert diesel engine, it has a maximum output of 169 kilowatts and can travel up to 50 kilometers per h. Although small, this CAT model is powerful. What do you know more about this machine? Please leave a comment to let me know. In the first years of the 21st century in Switzerland, the shovel excavator was born from 1955 to the present. It's been almost 70 years, but this machine is still going strong thanks to its durable V4 diesel engine. This shows that advanced equipment technology has been developed for a long time. In winter in Canada, a Caterpillar Cat 365 BLFS is used to clear a huge mud pit in the woods. Caterpillar Cat 365 BLFS is a large excavator manufactured by Caterpillar, weighing 70 tons and capable of digging up to 10 m deep with a reach of up to 15 m. The car is equipped with a C18 Acert diesel engine with a rotation speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute for a capacity of up to 705 horsepower. A high-performance hydraulic pump system comes with it. Overall, to the best of my knowledge, the Caterpillar Cat 365 BLFS is currently the most advanced large digger worldwide. You are currently seeing a Caterpillar 988B wheel loader, a type of heavy equipment used for transportation. 988B weighs up to 49 tons and is equipped with a turbocharged engine that produces 475 horsepower. As you can see, it is being used to transport heavy blocks of bricks without hard manual labor. Going back to the excavators, the Caterpillar 375 is one of the large excavators manufactured by heavy equipment company Caterpillar Inc. The Caterpillar 375 weighs 75 tons and has a diesel engine that produces 533 horsepower. In addition, it is equipped with an electronic control system that increases the accuracy of its operation. It is used in various types of terrain, including mining, road and bridge construction, railway excavation, earth moving, and other construction projects. This is the Komatsu WE 1853 Showcase Excavator, introduced and first tested by Komatsu in February 2023. According to available information, the Komatsu WE 1853 Showcase has an operating weight of 49 tons and is equipped with a diesel engine. Komatsu SAA 6D 170E5 with a maximum capacity of 568 GP. The Caterpillar D6R XL bulldozer was manufactured by Caterpillar and introduced in 1996. Its main features include a 10.5-liter Caterpillar 3306 DITA Acert turbocharger engine that delivers 196 kilowatts, 263 codes of power, force at 2,000 revolutions per minute. The active suspension system, equalizer bar, helps distribute the load evenly on all wheels. Overall, the Caterpillar D6R XL bulldozer is a high-quality product from Caterpillar, known for its excellent performance and durability. We are seeing the Kafferholzernte 1270 G8WD with IBC and H415 demonstrate outstanding performance on rough, snow-covered hillsides. Its strength and maneuverability allow for rapid handling of large timber and efficient timber collection in challenging conditions. The intelligent combination of machinery and equipment helps increase productivity, save time, and reduce labor in harsh conditions. This is a typical example of technological advancement in the wood processing industry. If you find the video interesting, please like and subscribe so you don't miss similar content. The potato harvesting process at Kiloween Farms is a masterpiece of creativity and precision in sun-drenched fields. The Case 240 CVT harvester is guided by the skillful and precise hands of the farmer to meticulously carry out the harvesting process. Harvesters carefully collect each potato, preserve them in pristine condition, and transport them to storage. The field landscape becomes brilliant in the golden sunlight with rows of high-yield potatoes. At Riverbend Farms, the corn harvesting process is like an art form performed by the Case 2588 machine. With a powerful motor and efficient operation, the machine quickly moves across the large cornfield grown, harvesting golden corn kernels under the sunlight at the farm. The corn harvesting process is a sophisticated combination of machine technology and skillful control of the operator, bringing a quick harvest to the farmer. When the harvester's container is completed, it will coordinate with the transport vehicle to move the corn and quickly transport it to the storage warehouse to ensure the quality of the corn seeds is not affected. Each grain of corn has the fresh flavor of autumn, ready to be processed into high-quality products. The X9 1100 demonstrates efficiency and power during rapeseed harvesting at Dansk Host. Its remarkable ability to quickly cut and harvest large quantities of rapeseed has attracted onlookers. Its efficiency allows tasks to be completed quickly, while ensuring the quality of the harvested product. Machines play an important role in the success of agriculture and improving productivity. Despite its compact size, the 870 mini round baler delivers impressive productivity. With a compact yet efficient design, the machine can collect and package hay or straw into round bales quickly and efficiently. Despite its small scale, it ensures minimal agricultural waste, helping to increase productivity and save farmers time. Looking down from above, we can see the effectiveness of John Deere equipment in harvesting barley at impressive speeds across a large field. Fast and efficient harvesting over a large area ensures that the barley harvest is carried out quickly, with the golden barley heads being cut, captured, and then placed into storage compartments. When the harvest box is finished, there will be a specialized truck to transport it to the warehouse. Then seeding is carried out, sowing seeds evenly in the newly harvested barley fields with high precision, ensuring timely sowing without interruption. This represents perfect coordination between John Deere equipment, increasing productivity without missing out on the growing season. We are seeing sugar beet harvesting done quickly, efficiently, and accurately. The Q616 harvester is combined with the Fendt 516 and Fendt 312 tractors to perform this task. The Verviet Q616 harvester is designed to be precise and highly productive, allowing sugar beets to be harvested quickly from the soil without damaging the product, transferring them smoothly onto the conveyor leading to the bins. When the bin is full, the Fendt tractor ensures flexible transportation and excellent coordination with the harvester to transfer the sugar beets for storage and processing. The harvesting process goes smoothly and quickly, ensuring the quality of the final product. In the vast fields with flocks of birds foraging on plowed land during the crucial autumn season, preparations for the coming wheat sowing season are underway. Massey, Ferguson, and Lemkin plows work the soil quickly, making it finer and more favorable for optimal sowing of wheat. The Horsch rotary seeding system with a Kloss tractor at the front then takes over. This process takes place accurately and efficiently, ensuring that the wheat will be sown evenly and grow strongly in the future. This is an important step in the agricultural production chain, demonstrating the professionalism and dedication of those involved in the farming process. The powerful combination of the John Deere 8245R lawnmower and tractor operates efficiently, delivering outstanding productivity in cutting grass for animal feed. The Sandiland Maskin Station facility demonstrates professionalism and precision in hay processing, providing essential support to farmers in fodder harvesting and many other areas. The machine's power and efficiency saves time and labor while ensuring the quality of the final product. The Morbark 50/48X wood chipper demonstrates incredible power in the wood grinding process. With its advanced technology and sturdy design, it not only quickly turns large blocks and branches of wood into fine shavings, but also does it remarkably effectively, turning bulky wood into small, fine shavings. This helps improve productivity and sustainability in the forestry industry, providing valuable raw materials for various applications. The Morbark 50/48X wood chipper is an important part of the workflow in the wood industry, providing reliability and efficiency. The Caterpillar D9R bulldozer is an indispensable industrial device known for its extremely powerful and impressive capabilities. It is designed to operate in challenging environments such as construction sites, quarries, and mountainous terrain. This machine has the outstanding ability to cut, lift, and level rocks and rocky terrain with incredible power and precision. The combination of Caterpillar D9R bulldozers, Caterpillar 385C excavators, and Terex RH30F excavators in Soteriatis construction projects represents a symbol of industrial strength. These machines work together to create foundations, excavate soil, and move large volumes of rock and soil for large-scale construction projects, demonstrating the power and efficiency of advanced machinery technology in the construction industry. The effective cooperation between the Claas Jaguar 950 and Claas Jaguar 940 harvesters during the corn silage harvest is a symbol of effective teamwork. These two machines work in harmony, cutting and harvesting corn quickly and effectively. Thanks to their high precision, they produce high-quality silage for animal feed. Excellent coordination between the MAN LKW truck fleet and Fendt machines ensures that the corn is transported to the silage pit quickly and efficiently. Working together, they created an image of efficiency and strength in agriculture. The Krone BigPack 1270 VC Generation 5 baler shows us efficiency and precision in high-quality baling. With its advanced design and modern baling technology, it can produce uniformly shaped bales of grass and corn extremely quickly. Jack Mason and the Mason Loonwork team harnessed the power of this machine to bale hay smoothly and efficiently across large fields. This demonstrates their professionalism and dedication to the agricultural industry, promoting productivity and efficiency at work. Next, the New Holland FR 700 10-row machine and the John Deere 6930 machine with dozeur hanger have proven their efficiency and strength in grinding animal feed. The combination of harvester and tractor created a rapid maize grinding process, ensuring feed was produced and delivered on time. This is important for the agricultural sector, especially in providing animal feed efficiently and reliably. Looking down at the vast field, two Massey Ferguson Centaura 7382 AL and MF 1200 HD machines shine on the autumn field while harvesting rapeseed. With high performance and precision, they are powerful machines that meet every farmer's needs. By taking advantage of rapid and efficient harvesting, they help increase crop yields and ensure food meets growing market demand. The perfect combination of these two machines brings incredible convenience and efficiency to work. If you find the video interesting, please like and subscribe so you don't miss similar content. Thank you. In the pine forest with its towering pine trees, the wood chipper demonstrated incredible power and precision. With powerful and precise blows, it cuts through dense pieces of wood, creating perfect logs. Its ability to adapt to its environment and its ability to work continuously and tirelessly highlight its incredible capabilities. With meticulous adjustments, this machine transformed a challenging forest into a valuable source of construction materials and fuel. It is a symbol of technology and human strength. The large Komatsu WA900 wheel loader demonstrated incredible power and agility while transporting giant marble columns at the Biros Marble Quarry in Greece. The weight and size of these marble columns are huge, but the WA900 is equipped with a powerful motor and large wheels that easily overcome any obstacle. Its smooth and steady movement allows it to operate efficiently while demonstrating precision in handling valuable materials. It is a picture of creativity and technological capacity in the stone mining industry. Caterpillar D8R is a powerhouse of incredible power and capability. With a powerful engine, modern wheels and steering system, the D8R can easily bulldoze and push dirt and rocks on challenging mountainous terrain. With impressive speed and performance, this machine makes heavy work easier and increases productivity in the construction and mining industries. The D8R bulldozer demonstrates the magic and power of technology. The bucket wheel excavator is a masterpiece created and commonly used in the coal mining industry. Its distinguishing feature is the large front wheel, which can be up to tens of meters in diameter. Huge buckets underneath the wheels allow it to dig and process large amounts of rock and soil, potentially reaching hundreds of thousands of tons of coal per day. Remote controlled, this excavator helps reduce worker labor and increase production efficiency, contributing to improving output quality in the coal mining sector. The Albach Diamant 2000 wood chipper with a powerful 612 horsepower engine is an outstanding wood chipper. Its efficient operation is demonstrated by the ability to quickly and accurately carve and process wood. With impressive capacity, this machine can process large volumes of wood, turning it into fine wood chips for a variety of applications, from producing fuel for boilers to as raw material for the wood industry. It helps optimize efficiency and productivity in wood processing and reduce emissions from the wood processing industry. Large stones are placed on a conveyor belt and sent to a 150-ton capacity stone splitter, which is an excellent tool for separating granite blocks. The incredible power of this machine allows for efficient and precise separation of stone blocks, saving workers time and effort. The machine's operation is very impressive and attractive, making the working process in the granite mining industry easier and faster. This also helps provide high-quality stone blocks for mining projects and effectively use stone resources. Anthony Houlihan is an experienced farmer in the field of canola harvesting. This process is amazing when observed from above. The harvester is powerful and efficient, collecting rapeseed quickly. All the rape seeds are meticulously collected, creating a majestic and awe-inspiring scene across the vast field. Anthony Houlihan and his machinery are essential in the rapeseed food production process, contributing to the global food supply. L.U. Bender has made the baling process attractive and sophisticated with the help of a John Deere C451R baler pulled by a John Deere 6250R tractor. This process creates hay bales compact and attractive, specially made with high precision and control. The John Deere baler accomplishes the task powerfully and efficiently, compacting hay into bales for easy storage and ready for use or as feed for livestock. The Krohn Kreisel Zetwender hay shaker performed excellently on steep hillsides. With its unique design and versatility, it ensures that raking over difficult terrain is no longer a problem. Kreisel works powerfully and efficiently, facilitating uniform and clean grass collection. The flexibility in adjusting the width and working angle also means it can adapt to a variety of terrain types. With this machine, cleaning and collecting grass on hillsides becomes simpler than ever. The International Harvester 574 snowblower demonstrated its power and efficiency in the face of heavy snowfall, up to 2 feet high in one night. With its powerful snow-blowing ability, it clears thick layers of snow quickly and effectively. The power of the machine ensures that no snow can hinder this task. This helps ensure public and traffic safety in heavy snowfall conditions. The Vermeer HG 6800TX is a giant crusher capable of processing a variety of materials such as wood, biomass, and paper waste thanks to its adjustable cutting drum. Its versatility allows it to work effectively on a wide range of materials, making it a valuable asset in a variety of industries. Whether processing wood into chips or machining other materials, this powerful machine demonstrates its ability to operate smoothly, meeting the needs of a variety of applications. You have just discovered 0.01% of the world's heavy machinery and equipment. Subscribe channel to keep up with upcoming episodes on heavy machinery and modern farming. Thank you.